Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this cool cinematic vlog intro using Filmora 12. This is so simple to make, so let's jump into Filmora and get started. Okay, first thing first, we need to find a video clip like this. So then we need to drag our video down. So I select this, and change the Y position to something -280. Okay, now we need to duplicate this layer. So get a copy of this layer, and paste it top layer like this. Then go to the Y position, and change the position to 280. Then click this flip button to flip upside down. So I like to rotate this layer in the opposite direction. So I click this flip button to rotate opposite direction. So now we need to create a mask. So go to the mask, and I select this linear mask. Then I change the rotation to 270, and I drag it to something here. Then adjust the mask feather you like. Okay guys, now it looks like this. It looks great, so now we need to export this video. After that, delete these layers. We don't need that. Then add the exported video to the timeline. Then I like to add some color grading to this, so first I add an adjustment layer to the timeline. Then I go to the lot section, and I select this warm film preset, then change the strength to something 25. Okay, then we need to add this zoom out rotation look. So select this layer, and go to the start point. Then create keyframes on scale and rotation, then change the scale to 200. And rotation to 30. Then go to the end. Change the scale to 100, and rotation to 0. Okay, now we have this amazing look. So now we need to add black bars opening look for this. For that, go to the Effects tab, and search Crop Effect. Then add it to the timeline. Then go to the Start. Create keyframes on top and bottom. Then change both values to 50. After that, go to 1 second forward, and change both values to 10. Okay, now it looks great. So finally, we need to add some text. So here I use the 3D title for this. Then I customize this text like this. After that, you can use any animation style you like. Also, you can use any text presets too. Okay guys, you can see our top layer is the text layer. So our text animation looks like this. So I think it gives a pretty cool look. So if you don't like it, you can change the layer order. So guys, our cinematic vlog intro is done. Here's the result. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this. And please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment about this video. And what tutorial you like next. So let's meet up the next video. Take care and peace.